Yo! First order of the day is a McDonald's, $9 going 4 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Just confirm before you leave.
Yep. Okay, they must be struggling already because it almost took 10 minutes to bring out one meal and one coffee. Morning. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Do I take this McDonald's that is $10 going 6 miles, or do I take this other McDonald's that is $6 going 9 miles? Tough question. Obviously, I'm doing the 10 for 6.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Heading back to that same McDonald's. This is $6 and change going about 3 miles. Not sure if you could see that sign or not, but it said slow grandparents at play. What is this? This is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $6 going 2 miles, only one item. Got this right away. It is a Starbucks, $7 going 4.5 miles. Grace. Thank you.
So weird. Does it say hand it to me?
It says meet at door.
Oh my god, bizarre.
Yeah.
Sorry. Thank you
Yep.
so much.
Have a good day. Trust me, I would much rather leave it at the door too. Next up, got a Seize the Bagel. This one is $11 going about 7 miles. Hello. Yeah, I've got Zachary. Thank you.
Of course. Have a good day.
You too. Next order up is a stack going to the same person. We've got Donut Nook and Peachtree Restaurant, $17 going 8 miles.
Cloudy with rain.
Next order up is a shop and deliver for Walgreens, $8 going 4 miles, only one item. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $12 going 6 miles, 5 items. Got this while I was shopping. This is a Richland Hub, $9 going 5 miles. Hi. Yeah, for Scott.
Awesome. We're putting that together right now.
Gotcha. Haven't even dropped off the first order yet, but they're giving me another add-on. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8, going 2 miles, 3 items. Scan it too. Yep, that one. It's over there somewhere. Love how the GPS just takes me to the middle of the complex. And I have to guesstimate where I'm going because they didn't give me a building letter, and all the numbers are tiny and right next to their staircases. Anyways, got the next order right away. This is a McDonald's, $8, going 4 miles. All right, time to go home. Current time is 9:29. Current total is, I don't know. I'd have to do math because DoorDash ended my shift like 3 times. All I know is that I've got 42 on Uber at the moment and waiting on a bunch of tips. So I'll just throw up the total whenever everything settles in. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.